Stop by and take a look at the 2008 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Standing the test of time means never standing still. The C-Class is a stylish performer that embodies sophistication and intelligence. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, fog lamps. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.